You are going to love the 2021 Aviator. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find Bluetooth, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.